Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make money playing video games using Freecash. Now, if you don't know about it, Freecash is a platform that pays you for completing the gaming tasks and in-game challenges. So if you want the Freecash link, you can just check out the link in the description. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, when you come here on freecash.com, you just have to sign up here with the help of your email address or your Facebook account or your Apple ID. So Freecash actually rewards you for playing the partner games and completing the missions inside them. So when you create your account, you will see the first section of earn. So this is the section that we want. In the earn section, you just have to scroll down and take a look at the gaming category. Over here in the gaming category, if there is any task available, you just have to click on that, and then you just have to start completing that particular task. And now after completing the task, all of the rewards associated with that particular game will come here on your Freecash dashboard. So this way you will be able to start money playing game or basically video games on Freecash. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.